Okay, so since you guys have a quiz on Friday and on Monday, I'm gonna do number 4. I'm making a video. You're judging me already. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna do number 4. Number 4 has fractions, and you need to find your lowest common denominator. Well, the first thing I gotta do is build my walls because we don't like fractions. We want to get rid of them. So I need to find my lowest common denominator. My lowest common denominator for this one is, let me write my denominators. My first denominator is 3. My other denominator is 6. If I write the multiples of 3, it's going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, then comes 6, 12. The first number that pops up twice is 6. So that's going to be my lowest common denominator, which means I put the whole thing in parentheses and I multiply the whole thing by 6, since that's my lowest common denominator. I can do that trick that I taught you guys a long time ago, where I divide the bottom and I multiply the top. DD, divide diagonally. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2n is 4n. That's 1. You can do the trick again. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times n is 1n. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And then from here, you just got to put all the variables to the left. So the 1n will go to the left. That'll turn into a negative 1n. The negative 4 will turn into a positive 4. That says 8 plus 4. That'll turn into a 12. 4n minus 1n is 3n. And you guys know that the last step you got to divide. You divide. N equals 4. You got your answer. Okay, and I'm going to do number 8 now. Again, you guys don't like fractions. Write it down real quick. Okay, I'm going to build my walls. Distributive property comes first. You got to do 1/4 times x, which will give you 1/4 x. Then you got to do 1/4 times 7, negative, I'm sorry, 1/4 times negative 7. So somewhere else on your paper, just put 1/4 times negative 7. For you to multiply fractions, you got to make them both fractions. So negative 7 as a fraction is negative 7 over 1. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. 4 times 1 is 4. Just leave it as a fraction. It doesn't matter. You'll fix it after. Just leave it as a fraction in the meantime. And then bring down the right-hand side. It's the same rule that applies. You got to find your lowest common denominator. And then in this case, I only have the same denominator, so my denominator is going to be 4. And for that trick to work, everything needs to be a fraction. So just put everything over 1. You can do the trick now. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1x is 1x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Times 1 is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Times 3x is 12x. You need to put all the numbers to the right. And negative 7 will turn into a positive 7. And the net 12x will turn into a negative 12x. Let me bring down the left-hand side really quick. Negative 12x plus 1x is negative 11x. 4 plus 11 is 11. You divide by negative 11. You divide by negative 11. Positive 11 divided by negative 11 is a negative 1. You get your answer. So that trick for the fractions works every single time. And of course, if you guys need any help, let me know. And how do I pause this video? I found the pause button.